Jai Srimanarayana.
Jai Srimanarayana.
47th sloka of 2nd chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Karmanyeva adhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana ma karma phala heturbhuhu mate sangostu akarmani Om. Learn how to perform your duty. Make yourself qualified in all aspects and respects to perform your duty. Thus, you will earn a right to perform your duty. Once you are fully qualified, all your attention will be on bringing out your best while performing your duty. Once you are fully qualified, you will work just like as an instrument in the system. Once you are fully qualified, you will never be interested, you will never be concerned with the name, fame, recognition and any other things. Once you are fully qualified, you will never lose interest in performing your duty. Sri Krishna Paramatma also gives the best option in the 18th chapter, asking every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, O Srimanarayana, I shall make myself qualified in all aspects and respects to perform my duty. I shall bring out my best in performing my duties. I shall not be sidetracked with name, fame, recognition and other things. O Srimanarayana, I shall perform my duties as an instrument in the system. O Srimanarayana, I shall never lose interest in performing my duties. O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Nabhaga's son is Ambarisha. He is such a great devotee. Na asprusat brahmashapopi. Even Brahmana's curse did not work on this Ambarisha. Like that, when Sri Sukha Yogindra said, Parikshin Narendra asking, Bhagavan shrotumichhami rajarshehe tasya dhimataha. O Yogindra, please tell me about Ambarisha. I would like to learn more about Ambarisha. Like that, when he asked Sri Sukha Yogindra saying like this, O Parikshin Narendra, Ambarisho Mahabhagaha Saptadvipavatim Mahim. Ambarisha is such a great devotee and used to have this entire world, entire earth under his custody. He has such a great amount of wealth, yet he never cared that wealth at all. Sarvam tat svapna samstutam. He always used to feel that whatever the wealth, everything that he has is like objects in the dream. Once we come out of dream, as and how all the objects that we experience in the dream will disappear, just like that he used to feel all this wealth is like that. That is what Ambarisha's opinion. And also he feels that the more and more Aishwaryam, wealth, brings tamogunam into humans. With that, the human beings will get into Narakam. That is what Ambarisha's opinion. That is why Vasudeve Bhagavati Tad Bhakteshu Cha Sadhushu. Ambarisha always used to be dedicated to Vasudeva, Sriman Narayana. He always used to have great amount of devotion towards Vasudeva and also the devotees of Vasudeva. Like that, while he is leading his life as a great devotee, most dedicated devotee of Sriman Narayana, he always used to feel this entire universe is equal to one small stone, something like that. He never cared. That is how he is leading his life. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching to Parikshin Narendra. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 47th sloka. Karmanyevadhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana ma karma phalaheturbhuhu ma te sangostva karmani. Karmanyevadhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana ma karma phalaheturbhuhu मा ते संगोऽस्त्वकर्मणि श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।